Hello viewers, welcome to this channel. Today in this video I am going to teach you how to deactivate or delete your Facebook account in iOS device. This process is similar in Android device as well. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi. After that, open your Facebook app. Here I go. At the bottom right corner you can see menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Tap on that. Here I go. Now go to settings and privacy, which is at the bottom. Tap on that. Now tap on settings. Now go to personal and account information, which is given at the top. Tap on that. Now you can see account ownership and control. Tap on that. Now go to deactivation and deletion. Tap on that. Now you can see two options, deactivate account and delete account. I am going with deactivate account for the further process, but if you want to delete your account for permanently, you can choose delete account. Here I am going with deactivate account. Continue to account deactivation. Tap on that blue icon. For the further process, you have to type your password here. Here I go. After you are done, tap on continue. Here you can see different options. Choose one of them. I am choosing this is temporarily. I will be back. After you are done, tap on continue. Here I go. Here you can see different options again. Choose how many days you want to deactivate your account for. I will be choosing 1 day. Here I go. After you are done, you can tap on continue. Here I go. Again, you have to tap on deactivate my account, which is given at the bottom. Here I go. Finally, you are able to deactivate your account. I hope this video helped you a lot. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.